Have you ever wondered how much difference the right microwave can make in your kitchen? It's not just about reheating leftovers anymore. Today's microwaves can air fry, bake, roast, and even sense when your food is perfectly cooked. In this video, we're diving deep into some of LG's best LG microwave models so you can see exactly what sets them apart and decide which one is the perfect fit for your home. If you're searching for LG microwave reviews that go beyond the basics, you're in the right place. And remember, if you see one you like, I've put links to the current prices for each model in the description box below, so you can check them out after watching. Which one do you think will end up being your favorite? Let's find out. Let's start with the LG LMC0975 ST Countertop Microwave, a compact yet powerful option that's perfect if you want high performance without taking up much space. With its smart inverter technology, you'll immediately notice how evenly your food heats, whether you're gently warming a bowl of soup or defrosting chicken straight from the freezer. The inverter ensures consistent power delivery, which means no more cold spots in the middle or overcooked edges, just smooth, even heating every time. The easy clean interior coating makes wiping away splatters effortless, so you won't dread cleaning day. Imagine heating up spaghetti sauce, and with just a quick wipe, the interior looks brand new again. Have you ever had a microwave that cleans up this easily? When you use the LMC0975 ST, you'll also appreciate its intuitive controls and sleek stainless steel design that complements any kitchen style. The smooth touchpad feels responsive under your fingertips, and the LED display is bright and easy to read, even in low light. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, or as a secondary microwave in a busy household. Yet, despite its smaller size, it still offers enough capacity to handle full dinner plates and medium-sized casserole dishes with ease. The smart inverter technology also allows you to cook more delicate foods without fear of overcooking. Steaming vegetables, for instance, results in vibrant colors and crisp, tender textures that taste fresh, not rubbery. Reheating pastries leaves them warm and flaky instead of soggy. This level of precision is something you'll quickly come to rely on, especially if you cook a variety of dishes. What's the first thing you'd try cooking in it? Another benefit you'll notice is just how quiet this model runs. From the soft hum during operation to the gentle chime that signals your food is ready, it's a subtle presence in your kitchen rather than a noisy distraction. If you've ever read LG microwave reviews and wondered if quiet operation really makes a difference, this one might just prove it to you. Could a quieter kitchen make your cooking time more relaxing? Now, moving on to the LG MVEF 1323 F over-the-range microwave, which is designed for those who want to maximize counter space while enjoying advanced cooking capabilities. This model is part of LG's low-profile, over-the-range lineup, giving you a sleek, modern look that doesn't dominate your kitchen. Despite its streamlined size, it offers impressive performance, and because it's installed above your range, it doubles as a ventilation system, keeping your cooking area comfortable and free from excess steam or odors. If you're comparing models for an LG microwave comparison, this one's space-saving design is a major advantage. One of the standout benefits here is the integration with LG's ThinQ app. By connecting the microwave to your Wi-Fi, you can access additional smart features, monitor cooking progress remotely, and even receive notifications when your food is ready. It's a level of convenience that fits seamlessly into a connected home lifestyle. Imagine starting a reheat cycle from the couch and having dinner ready when you walk into the kitchen. No waiting, no guesswork. Would you use that feature often? The MVEF 1323F also benefits from LG's thoughtful design touches, such as the easy clean interior, which makes maintenance quick and simple. Even with heavy use, a damp cloth is usually all you need to keep it spotless. Its LED lighting brightens the cooktop below, making it easier to see what you're doing when preparing meals, and the controls are positioned for easy reach and visibility. Because this model is low profile, it's perfect for kitchens where space is at a premium, but you still want over-the-range functionality. You'll be able to fit taller items on your stovetop without interference, yet still have a full-featured microwave right above. This design choice makes cooking more comfortable and efficient, especially if you frequently juggle multiple dishes. You'll also appreciate the consistent performance across a variety of cooking tasks. From reheating a plate of leftovers to defrosting meat for dinner, the NVEF 1323F handles it all with precision. The even heating means you won't have to stir or rotate food constantly, and the sensor technology adjusts cooking times automatically based on the food's moisture levels. If you're looking for the best LG microwave oven that also saves counter space, this one deserves a close look. Next, let's talk about the LG MHE-C 1737D, which, as the best LG over-the-range microwave, takes versatility to another level. This is more than just a microwave. It's a convection oven, an air fryer, and a sensor cooking powerhouse all in one. With a capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, it's roomy enough to handle large casserole dishes or multiple servings at once, making it a great choice for families or frequent entertainers. The convection feature circulates hot air around your food, allowing you to bake and roast with results that rival a traditional oven. You can expect evenly browned cookies, crispy roasted vegetables, and juicy baked chicken without needing to preheat a separate appliance. The air fry function adds even more possibilities, letting you create crispy fries, chicken wings, or breaded fish with less oil and less mess than deep frying. Which of those would you try first? Sensor Cook technology is another highlight, automatically adjusting cooking times and power levels based on the humidity inside the cavity. This means you can pop in a bowl of oatmeal or a plate of leftovers, and the microwave will stop at the perfect moment. No undercooked centers or dried out edges. The ThinQ app integration also lets you scan the barcode of select ready-made meals, sending precise cooking instructions directly to the microwave for flawless results. The design is equally impressive, with LG's print-proof black stainless steel resisting fingerprints and smudges, so it stays looking sleek. The VFD scrolling display and two-line control panel make it easy to navigate settings, and the bright interior lighting ensures you can monitor your food without opening the door. If you've been searching LG microwave reviews for a model that can replace multiple appliances, this one delivers on that promise. Could this be the one appliance that changes how you cook forever? Finally, let's explore the LG LMC 2075 ST Countertop Microwave, a 2.0 cubic foot powerhouse that combines spacious capacity with precision cooking. The smart inverter technology ensures your food is heated evenly from edge to center, whether you're reheating a large casserole or defrosting a whole chicken. You'll notice how much fresher your meals taste when they're cooked with consistent power instead of the pulsing heat of traditional microwaves. The Easy Clean interior is a real time saver, allowing you to wipe away splatters without harsh scrubbing. Even after heating something messy like chili or tomato sauce, a quick wipe with a damp cloth leaves the interior spotless. The large turntable accommodates oversized plates and serving dishes, so you can heat multiple portions at once without rearranging your food. Its modern stainless steel design adds a polished touch to your kitchen, and the intuitive controls make operation straightforward. The display is bright and easy to read, and the touchpad responds quickly to your input, so you can set cooking times and power levels without frustration. The overall build feels solid and well crafted, giving you confidence in its durability. Because of its generous capacity, this model is ideal for households that cook or reheat larger portions regularly. You can easily fit a full dinner plate, a large bowl of soup, or a family-sized pasta bake without crowding. This makes it perfect for meal prep days when you need to heat multiple servings quickly and efficiently. You'll also appreciate how quietly it operates, allowing you to run it without disturbing conversations or TV time. If you're doing an LG microwave comparison and need a large, reliable countertop option, this one is hard to beat. Can you imagine how much easier family dinners would be with this kind of capacity? If you've been following along, you've now seen 4 very different LG microwaves, each with its own strengths and unique features. Whether you want a compact, quiet countertop model, a space-saving low-profile over-the-range unit, a multifunction convection and air fry powerhouse, or a spacious countertop workhorse, there's an LG microwave here that can transform the way you cook. If you're thinking about upgrading, check the description box below for links to the current prices of each model so you can find the one that fits your kitchen and your lifestyle best. Which one do you see yourself using every day? Let me know in the comments.